Have you ever wanted to read or write in Japanese? Maybe you've seen signs, menus, or anime and wondered, how do I start learning this beautiful language? The first step in learning Japanese is mastering Hiragana. In this video, we'll explore what Hiragana is, why it's so important, and some fun facts that will make your journey even more interesting. Hiragana is one of the three Japanese writing systems, along with katakana and kanji. It's used for native Japanese words and basic grammar, making it an essential part of daily communication. Unlike kanji, which can have complex meanings, hiragana is simple and phonetic. Every character represents a sound. Once you understand hiragana, reading Japanese sentences becomes much easier even if you haven't learned kanji yet. Hiragana developed hundreds of years ago from kanji. Originally, kanji was only used by men in official documents. Women, who often weren't taught kanji, created simplified forms of kanji to write poems, diaries, and letters, and that became hiragana. So, hiragana has a fascinating history tied to the Japanese culture and literature. Today, it's used by everyone and is the first writing system that Japanese children learn. Hiragana is the foundation for reading and writing Japanese. Before you learn katakana or kanji, you must know hiragana. It's used in every sentence for grammar, endings, particles, and native words. Without it, understanding Japanese texts or speaking fluently is very hard. Basically, learning hiragana is like learning the alphabet before writing sentences in English. Did you know hiragana has 46 basic characters? Each character corresponds to one sound, making it very systematic and easy to pronounce. You'll see hiragana everywhere in children's books, manga, signs, and menus. Some learners find it fun to spot hiragana while watching anime or reading simple Japanese sentences. The simplicity of hiragana is what makes starting Japanese less intimidating for beginners. In the next videos, we'll dive into all hiragana characters and learn them step by step. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss these lessons. Start practicing today by noticing hiragana around you on menus, books, or even in anime. With daily practice, you'll build a strong foundation in Japanese. Let's begin this exciting journey together.